Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to go through the detailed paper solution of the mathematics exam of Diploma Engineering under Gujarat Technological University of 2024. Whether you are preparing for an upcoming exam or just reviewing your answer, this walkthrough will help you understand the logic, methods and basically the solution step by step. I will break down each solution and question very clearly and making it easy for you to grasp the concept and boost your confidence. So make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you found this helpful. Let's start. So friends, here is the first question, that is MCQ. Let us go on the first question. It is given if A is equal to, and a matrix of this 2 by 2 is given, and they have asked that find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A, how we have to find? It is very simple. Just swap the diagonal this and make a negative sign here. Change the sign here. Okay. So here the matrix is 2, -1, 3 and -3. What we have to do? Just swap this 2, means it will become -3 and 2, and change the sign of this matrix. That will, it will be 1 and it will be -3. So this will be your first answer, and here the answer is A. The second question is if A is a matrix of this 2 by 3 is given and B is equal to the matrix of 3 by 2 is given. This is number of row and this is column, as you know very well. So how we can find the order of A into B? In multiplication, it is very simple that you have to find number of rows in first matrix and number of columns in second matrix. So let us check how many number of rows are there in first matrix. So here there are 2 and number of column in second matrix is also 2. So this is the second one. So the order of this matrix in multiplication will be 2 by 2, means option B is correct. Coming on the next question, there are 3 matrices and they have asked that A plus B minus C you have to do. So let me take some space and solve this. So it is very simple. For A you have to write the same matrix. For B also you have to write the same matrix. For minus C, what you have to do, just put a -1 sign and write the C matrix. So definitely all the sign will change. This sign will change due to the negative sign. So now the matrix will become like this. A is -1, 2, 3, -1, 0 and 4, right? This is A, and the B will be same, 4, -3, -2, 1, 4 and 0. And for this C, what we have to do? We have to put a plus sign and here and change all the sign here. Means you have multiplied this -1 with C matrix. So it will be like 0. Here is initially it was -1, but now it will be +1. Initially first it was 5, but now it will be -5. Similarly it will be -3, -2 and -1. This will be your matrix, and now we are going to add all these 3. So first it will be -1 plus 4 and plus of 0. Second will be 2 plus of -3 like this, and again plus of 1. Then next matrix will be 3 plus of -2 plus of -5, and next will be -1 plus of 1 plus of -3. Then again means I am taking this, this and this. Then in the second time I am taking this one and this one. So similarly it will be 0 plus 4 plus of minus 2. Then next one will be 4 plus 0 plus of minus 1. Solving the bracket, let us see what it will be. It will be minus 1 plus 4, and this will be 2 plus minus will be minus 3 plus 1. Then it will be 3 plus minus minus 2 plus minus minus 5. Then next one be minus 1 plus 1 plus minus minus 3. Then next will be 0 plus 4 plus minus minus of 2. Then next will be 4 plus 0 plus minus minus of 1. Then solve this and we will get the answer. So first will be 3, means definitely I can see this first option that it is positive 3, and that's why I can tick this, that A, the option A is correct. Let us cross verify once more. Then here is 2 and minus 3, that is minus 1 and plus 1, that is 0. Yes, definitely this A option is correct. Let's jump on to the fourth question, and they have asked that find A square of the matrix what they have given. So let first matrix what they have asked is minus 3, 2, 1 and 1, and again I will multiply minus 3, 1, 2 and 1. So multiplying this, I will found in this 1 marks question, it will be very easy to find only 1 or 2 options. If you are able to judge, then easily you can get the answer. So for the multiplication, what you can do, minus 3 into minus 3 plus of 1 into 2. Okay, so let me check only this first one. 3 3s are 9 and sign will be positive. 2 1s are 2, then it is 9 plus 2 11. I can see option C, it can be satisfied. So here option C you can directly check. Okay, or remaining if you have to do, then again what you can do, that minus 3 into 1 plus of 1 into 1. So you can find the matrix. Okay, coming on this next question, question number 5, that is d by dx of cos x upon sin x. See, this x we have to differentiate with respect to x, and x is in numerator also and in denominator also, means we will apply the formula what you have learned initially, like this, d by dx of f of x upon g of x, means numerator upon denominator. So what you were doing, we were writing that denominator into differentiation of d by dx, differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator g of x, upon denominator square, that is g of x whole square. So let me find the differentiation of cos x, and also I have to find for sin x. So my work will be quite bit easy. So if I am finding the differentiation of cos x, it will be minus sin x, as you know this is a ready-made formula that you have learned, and for sin x it will be cos x. So putting the value, let us check it out what is going to be. So I am putting here that it will be minus of sin x into sin x, then minus, and here it will be differentiation of sin x is cos x into cos x upon denominator square, denominator is sin square of x. So it will be like this, minus sin square x minus cos square x upon sine square x. If I am taking minus as common, I can see that sine square x plus cos square x upon sine square x I can write like this, and for this sine square x plus cos square x is 1, so I can write 1 upon, this is the negative sign, sine square x, and that is 1 upon sine square x is means cosec square x, and there will be a negative sign. That means option D is correct, that is cosec square x. This option is correct. Y is equal to sine square x is given, so let me assume that let u is equal to sine x, then y will be equal to sine square x, or I can write y is equal to u square. So I have assumed this, and according to the chain rule for this equation I can write du by dx is equal to cos x, and for this equation I can write dy by du is equal to 2u. Okay, so according to the chain rule, dy by dx will be equal to dy by du multiply by du by dx. The both value we have already find here. I have already find this dy by du, and I have already find this du by dx. So now let us put this value. So dy by dx will be equal to, what is dy by du? It is 2u, and what is du by dx? It is cos of x, and I know that in the place of u I have assumed sin x, so I will put sin x and cos x. So you can see it is actually making a formula, 2 sin theta cos theta will be equal to sine of 2 theta, means sine of 2x. So this will be your answer. That means option B is your final answer. Coming to the 7th question, it has given root of x plus root of y is equal to 9, and we have to find dy by dx. So how we will find out? See, here the equation I can write is like this: root of x plus root of y is equal to 9, differentiating both the side. Okay, so let me differentiate d by dx of this whole equation, root of x plus root of y is equal to d by dx of this 9. Differentiation of a constant number, you know, it is equal to 0, then definitely the next step this 9 will be equal to 0, and the differentiation of root x is equal to 1 upon 2 root x, and for root y it will be equal to 1 upon 2 root y dy by dx. Okay, and let me transfer this on the right hand side. So 1 upon 2 root of x equal to minus 1 upon 2 root of y dy by dx. Okay, and let me cross multiply this one. So it will be like, or I will take negative sign here. So let me do dy by dx. I have to find this value. So it will be 2 root of y upon 2 root of x, and the negative sign is also transferred here, and the answer will be, I will cut this 2 from 2, and the answer of dy by dx will be negative of root y upon root of x, or I can write minus root of y upon x. So the answer will be D, minus of root y upon x. Every time they will ask this type of question, and you have to put 0 here and differentiate this one. Question number 8, it is very simple question. It is in the form of, we have already learned that integration of a to the power x dx will be equal to a to the power x upon log of a plus c. So here you can check that here a is equal to 2, so the answer will be what? 2 to the power x upon log of 2 plus c, and that is option number C, which is correct. The next question is question number 9, that is integration of dx upon sine square x into cos square x. That means here we can assume that 1 is written, and I can write it like this: integration of sine square x plus cos square x, because sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1, upon sine square x into cos square x. Let's separate the variables. Then I can write sine square x upon sine square x into cos square x, and plus integration of cos square x upon again sine square x into cos square x. Let us cut this: sine square x upon sine square x, cos square x upon cos square x. So I will find integration of 1 upon cos square x plus integration of 1 upon sine square x. So you know that 1 upon cos square x is sec square x plus sine square is cosec square x. Okay, and although I can write it like this: integration of sec square x plus cosec square x. Okay, so integration of sec square x is 10x, and integration of cosec square x is minus of cot x, and a constant c. So this will be the answer, means option A is correct. You can take it like this. Coming on the next question, question number 10, it is very simple. Integration, and they have given the limit from 0 to 3, 6x dx. So it will be like integration of a constant number will be, this will be outside, and of x dx, and it will be from 0 to 3, and integration of x is x square by 2. Okay, and the limit will be from 0 to 3. So I will put 6. Now upper limit minus lower limit means 3 square upon 2 minus 0 square upon 2. So it will be 3 3s are 9 upon 2. I will cancel this one. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 9 3s are 27. So option number B is correct. Next question is question number 11. The order and degree of differential equation third root of d square y by dx square plus is equal to root of dy by dx is. See, this equation is very simple, and as you know, according to the definition of order and differential, what we can do, that you know very well, that the order is the highest number derivative in the equation with no negative or fractional power of the dependent variable and its derivative. Okay, and while the degree is the highest power to which a derivative is raised. So simply nothing you have to do, just I have to eliminate this third root and this square root. So let me write this equation and solve it. It will be, see, third root of d square y by dx square is equal to root of dy by dx. Let me square these two. Squaring both sides, if I am squaring these both sides, this root will be eliminated. Okay, so this equation can be in the form of like this: root of d square y by dx square power 2 is equal to dy by dx. Now I have to eliminate this 3 also. So cubing both the side, let me cube on both the side. I will get like this. I will cube both side. So it will be, when I will do cubing, this will be eliminated and it will become d square y by dx square, and this on the right hand side it will become dy by dx whole cube. So Now you can differentiate very easily that the order of the differential equation is 2 and its degree is also 2. So here option number B is correct. Coming on the question number 12, an integrating factor of the differential equation x dy by dx plus y upon x is equal to x square. See, for this equation we know that there is a linear differential equation like this. We can write that linear differential equation which was in this format. It was dy by dx plus px of y is equal to q of x, yeah, and this was the differential equation. And for example, take me a small example, means it was, for example, I have written dy by dx plus y plus or equal to x square. Then I was comparing this as p and this as q. So here p is equal to 1 and q is equal to x square. Similarly, if I am writing dy by dx plus y upon x is equal to e to the power x. So now if I am comparing, then I can write that p is equal to 1 upon x and q is equal to e to the power x. Similarly, for this equation, first I have to make it as a linear differential equation. So let me first compare and solve it as a linear differential equation. For this, let me erase this one. Yes, for this equation, x dy by dx plus y upon x is equal to x square. I am dividing both sides by x. So this equation will be like dy by dx plus y upon x square is equal to x. Now if I am going to compare, then here p is equal to 1 upon x square and q is equal to x. And I know that integrating factor, what I have learned, there was a formula. If you are memorizing the formula, it was e to the power integration of p of x dx. So here p of x is integration of e to the power integration of 1 upon x square dx, and integration of e to the power 1 upon x square, it will be e to the power minus 1 upon x. Okay, and by solving further it can't be solved, so this will be my final answer. I am not getting any of this option, so maybe there will be some mistake in the option, or you can put here that this can be your final answer, e to the power minus 1 upon x. Let us attempt this question. The question is I plus I square plus I cube plus I to the power 4. See, for I am writing I. For I square, I know the value, it is minus 1. For I cube, I can write very easily I square into I. For I to the power 4, I can write I square to the power 2. Okay, because the value of I square I know very well. So now I plus minus is minus 1. Then again, see, I square is minus 1 into I, that is minus I. So I am writing minus 1 into I. And for this I square, it will be minus 1 whole square. So now it will become minus 1, then plus minus is minus I, then minus 1 square is plus 1. Then all the thing is cancelled and the answer will become 0. Coming to the next question, 2 minus I, which is to be multiplied by 3 plus 2i. So 2 minus I, which is to be multiplied by 3 plus 2i. So what I can do, I can write like this: 2 multiplied by 3 plus 2i and minus I, which is multiplied by 3 plus 2i. Let me open this bracket and solve. Then it will become 3 2s are 6 plus 2 2s are 4i minus 3i minus plus is minus 2i square. I know I square, the value of I square is minus 1, so it will become 6 plus 4i minus 3i. See, plus minus is minus, answer will be of positive, then it can be written as 1i or simply I, and it will become 2 minus 1. Then solving it this side, it will become 6 plus I minus is plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8 plus I will be our answer. Means option D is correct.